Hey everybody, this is Angela with Curly Coily Tresses. I am back again with our second bonnet bundle that we have for you. So this is a satin tie-back bonnet. It's called Flower Power. Obviously, there are a lot of flowers here, a lot of vibrancy. And this bonnet wraps in the back and then ties in the front. So if you prefer this style as compared to the style with elastic, we got you covered. And it reverses to a beautiful teal color, and we have a pillowcase. Here's the pillowcase. It fits up to a king-size pillow. Look at this lush jewel tones. It fits up to a king-size pillow. It has an opening in back, which keeps the pillow covered. So protect your curls and look as amazing as you can. Bonnet, again, this is the tie-back bonnet with the straps, and this comes with the pillowcase. This is available on our website right now. Very limited quantities. You better jump in there if you want these. Talk to you soon. I'll drop the link.